Hello everyone, I'm Karis from Cinemata China Limited. Today I would like to introduce the 3.5-ton internal combustion counterbalanced forklift CPCD35 made by HELI. As a key model in the K2 series, it adopts classic counterbalanced structure with excellent stability, making it suitable for warehouses, ports, factories, and the logistic yard. Let's take a look at its overall appearance first. The K2 series offers a rated load capacity of 3.5 tons, easily handling heavy cargo, pallets, and construction materials, and is equipped with tire for emission standard diesel engine with an output power of 36.8 kilowatts, delivering stable power output and strong climbing ability. For mast options, it can flexibly choose standard mast, 2-stage or 3-stage fully free mast according to different working conditions, with options ranging from 2 to 6 meters. It can easily handle both standard warehouses and high-rack options. For tires, both pneumatic and solid tire options are available. Pneumatic tires are suitable for rough outdoor roads, while solid tires provide stronger wear resistance for intensive operations. The operator cabin adopts new ergonomically designed seats. It's equipped with a small diameter steering wheel and high-definition display, making operation easier and more comfortable. With LED headlights, signal lights, and a wide-view mast, it effectively improves both driving safety and working efficiency, even during long operation hours. About transportation, it can be loaded in 20 feet or 40 feet containers. One 20 feet container can load 2 units, and one 14 feet container can load at most 4 units. If you are looking for a reliable, durable, and cost-effective 3.5-ton forklift, the HELI K2 series is definitely worth considering. Please contact us for the latest price and stock availability anytime. Thanks for your watching.